Welcome to this video where we'll tackle a fascinating problem involving mutual gaze in conversation data. The problem at hand involves identifying the exact moments in duration of mutual gaze between different pairs of individuals during Q and A sequences. Now, let's delve into the solution provided. The key lies in splitting the data into a list of data frames by days pair, and then calculating mutual gazes for each data frame using the powerful overlaps function from the data.table package. The first step in the solution involves setting up a function to handle the calculation of mutual gazes between different pairs of individuals. This function efficiently processes the data and extracts the necessary information such as start time, end time, and duration of mutual gaze. Next, we apply the function to our dataset using dplyr's group_modify function. This step groups the data by sequence, utterance, and gaze pair, and then applies the previously defined function to calculate mutual gazes for each group. Expanding on the solution, we introduce a scenario where multiple mutual gazes occur within a single utterance. The code provided handles this scenario seamlessly, producing accurate results for each instance of mutual gaze. To ensure all sequences are included in the output, regardless of whether they have mutual gazes or not, we can perform a join with any missing sequences after calculating mutual gazes. This approach guarantees that every sequence is accounted for in the final output. In summary, we've successfully addressed the problem of identifying mutual gazes in Q and A sequences using a combination of data.table and dplyr functions. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, laughter is the best medicine